Hello, day 34 of my daily affirmation, and today is February 24th, 2026. What's showing up for me today is the sound of nature. Isn't this so beautiful? I feel so honored to be able to experience, I feel like it's a piece of heaven. So beautiful. Any time of the day, it is just surreal. Um, I am a little sensitive when it comes to sound or noise. Um, but I want to be able to tolerate more. Um, so I bring earplugs um, almost everywhere I know that the sound is going to be too loud for me. But again, it is my desire to be able to tolerate, um, although, you know, it would be louder than I could tolerate. I want to be able to listen to kids singing loud with joy and great music with drums. Um, so last night I was thinking, oh, gosh, I wish I can overcome. To me, it's a challenge. This challenge so that um, I don't have to carry um, the earplugs all the time. But this morning, this amazing sound from nature is absolutely something that I am grateful that I can hear better. I can be sensitive to all these tones and singing. And yeah, just wanted to share this with you guys. All right, my daily affirmation. Number one, I share light by serving others. Number two, my life is grounded with meaningful relationships and health and financial abundance. And number three, I leave a legacy of purpose and love. All right. Well, hope you are surrounded by this peaceful sound singing from the nature today. Sending lots of love. Mwah.